Welcome back. Well, Ketki Angre now joins us from Mumbai. So, Ketki, what are the issues the young people are really concerned about ahead of these elections?
Well, Gargi, the last time around we saw the focus really on registering new voters, but somehow that didn't really translate into getting all of them actually to cast their vote. So here I am today with a bunch of youngsters who's actually making an effort towards that direction, and let's find out from them what the issues for the youth are this time. Savio, tell us a little bit about what you've been trying to do.
We're from the Rotra District 3140, and it's an initiative from our end. It's called Badlav, where, as you mentioned, last time we had tried to register voters. This time we're trying to convert the entire energy into votes. So we had done street plays on the 27th of September across various locations in Mumbai, prominent locations in Mumbai, where we had told people to come out and vote. The only motive of the entire street play was take an informed decision and 100% votes.
Okay, Prashant, if I could ask you, a lot of political parties are talking about raising the Shivaji statue and this cut across party lines. Is that something really that concerns the youth, you think?
Not so much actually. Basically what we want is basic infrastructure development that we can see on our roads, around us, etc. Something building off the coast of Mumbai, spending that much money when it could be better spent, I don't think it's such a big issue for us.
And what about you, Vineet? If I could ask you, you've spoken to a lot of people, a lot of youngsters. What are they saying should be the focus as far as they are concerned?
Yeah, of course they are talking about infrastructure as one point, and apart from that they're also talking about education as another focus, more of higher education and focusing less on reservation and more on the lower middle class, and something like an MBA which is costing around 8 to 10 lakhs I can afford, but not everybody can afford, so they are looking at higher education to be a little lower.
Okay, this time around we also saw a little bit of a gimmick, probably, I don't know, maybe, the worry was about Wake Up Sid. What's your take on that?
Okay, I didn't even realize the difference that was raised by a political party in the movie. So what we spoke about was Bombay and Mumbai. And I think it's a very, very minor issue. I wouldn't say it's an issue though, because I think there are better issues in our state, in the city itself, that we can raise up. So I don't think so. It's going to help the political party who's done that in any which way, because the youth is not talking about that. The youth is talking about development, and that's what it wants, practical issues.
Okay, practical issues, that's the focus the youth really want all political parties to look at, but perhaps that's not really what they're seeing in this campaign, Gargi.
Right, Ketki, thanks so much for joining us on a rainy Mumbai morning there. Thanks a lot. And our programming, well, coming up ahead, the headlines we're tracking, also our focus on the Andhra flood. Stay with us.